Hello. Oh yeah, still sick. Today, I'm gonna just be getting ready to go out. It's gonna be pretty casual, no foundation, because it will literally melt right off my face in the heat. Ignore the state I'm in right now. Okay. I got a new face sunscreen that I've technically been using since like 8th grade. But I've been slacking on my sunscreen this year, and I need to stop doing that because I don't want to be wrinkly. Okay, so now I'm done. Okay, that's better. I'm done with my skin. Low-key, I really wish these acne scars would go away because I don't get that much acne anymore. But I'm still stuck with the scars and it's so annoying, but whatever. I'm gonna get started on the actual makeup now. Okay, my eye. Hold on. My eyeshadow's kind of huge. That's okay. You know, it'd be really cool one time. I just come on here and do my makeup and just talk about my music opinions, cause I have a lot of opinions. And like what kind of music I listen to, and just goth stuff in general. Eyeliner time. I think I'm gonna do big liner today because my eyeshadow is blue instead of black. This crazy ass alarm, like this freaking, I don't know, fire truck or something, has the weirdest alarm ever. They just drove past. To like, I have my basic fit on, but I need to like accessorize, so I'm wondering if I should do this, or if I should do the black one, or if I should do the claw clip. But low-key, whatever is fine. Ugh, my lipstick, it's bugging me. It's okay though. Oh God, why is everything so expensive nowadays? I went to the beach yesterday, and then afterwards we were driving home. We went to Del Taco. And for 3 people, $40. Crazy. Dude, I freaking hate Trump. I hate him for other reasons, obviously, but god damn, the prices are high. Ew. Like, what is going on? What is a world where freaking Del Taco is $40? Like, we literally got like 2 combos and a taco salad. Like, why is that $40? I don't know how to do my hair. I'll do it when it dries. I need to find other stuff to put on. I should do my eyebrows. Or my friend's gonna be there. Ooh, like 30 minutes. Dude, I hate getting like a mild cold because that shit lasts for weeks. My voice is gonna be crusty till the end of the summer, I swear to God. Eyebrows. I'm gonna go find some other stuff to put on. Okay, I found some things to put on. Got this corset. Unfortunately, it is from Amazon, and I do not support Amazon anymore. But got this my like sophomore year, probably last year. Around 2 years ago. God, when did I get it? Freshman year. This? Everything is like tied together. Okay. Stop it. Okay, here is the shell necklace. My cousin gave it to me. Here's this necklace that I always wear. My grandma gave it to me. My mom's friend gave this to me from like the 90s. And then I bought this at the Renaissance Fair. Ugh. My hair keeps getting stuck to my like everything. So I'm just gonna put that on. I decided not to do this because I don't know if it would go with anything today. I can't find my big spiky choker and that makes me sad. I still need to think about what to do with my hair. Oh yeah, also I don't recommend getting corsets from Amazon because they're bad quality and they're probably not good for your body, but I also don't really care for myself, so yeah. So just be safe with corsets because I'm not, but I want you to be. So I low-key just don't care, but here's the fit. I think I'm gonna wear sandals because it's gonna be freaking hot and I don't want my feet to get sweaty. I don't know what to do with my hair.
Outside the cabin holding their noses with their shirts for the smell.
I got the full outfit. Here is my makeup and hair. It looks better in person. Here's my corset, tights, tights from Hot Topic, even though I don't like Hot Topic anymore either. And then shoes, just some sandals because it's gonna be hot. That's it. Oh yeah, I'm sorry about my bed. I'm in the middle of like washing and changing the sheets and stuff. Yeah, here's my patch jacket. I want to do like a patch jacket tour sometime. Okay, that's it. Bye.